Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. K-fold cross-validation is a powerful technique used in machine learning to assess the performance of a model. It helps to ensure that the model generalizes well to unseen data. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of K-fold cross-validation and provide a hands-on example using Python. What is K-fold cross-validation? K-fold cross-validation involves splitting your dataset into K subsets, or folds. The model is trained on K1 of these folds and validated on the remaining fold. This process is repeated K times, with each fold serving as the validation set exactly once. The final performance metric is typically the average of the K validation scores. Why use K-fold cross-validation? 1. Better generalization. It reduces overfitting by ensuring the model is tested on different subsets of the data. 2. More reliable estimate. It provides a more reliable estimate of model performance compared to a single train test split. 3. Utilization of data. All data points are used for both training and validation. How to implement K-fold cross-validation in Python? We will use the popular machine learning library scikit-learn to implement K-fold cross-validation. Let's go through a step-by-step example using a simple dataset. Step 1. Import libraries. Step 2. Load the dataset. For this example, we will use the iris dataset, which is a classic dataset for classification tasks. Step 3. Initialize K-fold cross-validation. We will create a K-fold object, specifying the number of folds, K. Let's use 5 folds for this example. Step 4. Initialize the model. We'll use a random forest classifier for this example. Step 5. Perform K-fold cross-validation. Now, we can use the cross_val_score function to perform K-fold cross-validation. This function will train the model on the training folds and evaluate it on the validation fold for each iteration. Complete code example. Putting it all together, here is the complete code. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of K-fold cross-validation and implemented it using Python and the scikit-learn library. K-fold cross-validation is an essential tool for evaluating model performance and can be applied to various machine learning algorithms. Feel free to experiment with different models, datasets, and parameters to see how they affect the performance.